So much in joining me in today's live broadcast. Join me Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays between 10 to 12 p.m. Sometimes between 10 to 1 p.m. for live broadcast, teaching SMEs how to package their product. So as you can see here, I just finished a live broadcast and we're able to brand this bottle product. So in this broadcast today, I'm going to show you how you're going to brand your bottles as an SME with our stamping kit. Yeah, how you can brand your bottles as an SME with our stamping kit. So our stamping kit is made up of the stamp pad itself, the stamp the stamp pad, the stamp, and the 100 ml ink. This 100 ml ink, you will be shocked at what it can brand for you. It can brand up to 9,000 branding. It can do up to 9,000 branding for you if you use it well. Okay, so place your order. You get our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order. That's the way you place your order. You place your order or make any inquiry you want to make by getting our WhatsApp link or our WhatsApp number. Both our WhatsApp link and our WhatsApp number are in our bio. So place your order today. Contact us today for more inquiries and to place your order. So I'm going to show you how this was actually done. This thing is you're looking at here. It's very easy to do. Very, very easy. This branding. So whether you're packaging Zobo in bottles, or you're packaging your tiger nut milk, smoothie, fruit juice, whatever you're packaging in bottle, you can try a new method of branding the bottle directly, not using paper sticker again. Some of you use paper sticker and they even cut the paper sticker into two. Stop doing something like this. It's not good. It's not very reputable for your business. Okay, so try this new method. Try this new method just with this stamp. And I said it can give you more than 9,000 branding. More than 9,000 branding. So let's go placing order for their stamping and many other stamping that are here. So do not hesitate to place your order for your stamping. So I'm going to keep this by the side so that I will go ahead to show you how to start. So to start, the first thing you do is to add the content, whatever it is you want to package, add it in the bottle. Okay, so I am going to add the liquid content now. Okay, I am actually adding the content. Now, pay close attention. The color, the color of the ink you will use depend on the color of your item. Now, if you're packaging a dark item, you cannot use black again. If you're packaging white item, you can use any color because black goes for any color. Black goes for white, yellow, green, purple, whatever the color of your item is. Black will go, red will go, blue will go. Because our ink comes in three colors for now. It comes in red, it comes in blue, and it comes in black. So please bear that in mind. Very, very necessary. Okay, now the first thing you do, I said, is to add your content inside the bottle. Why do you need to add it inside the bottle? So that the bottle can have weight. Whether your content is a liquid product or it's a powdered product or a whole product, whatever it is. Probably when I say whole product, I mean something like granite or grains, whatever it is. Put your item inside the bottle. That's the first step. Okay, so once you have achieved that, you go to your stamping pad. This is the stamping pad already. Okay, you do our normal thing that we used to do. Now, from henceforth, we are using this nozzle. This nozzle is very good for dropping the stamp. You don't need the eyedropper bottle again. So we give you this bottle with this nozzle. It makes the dropping of the ink so easy, so easy. It drops the ink in dots, just like the eyedropper. Okay. Now give it a little shaking, just a little shaking. Okay. Then open it up. So when you open it up, you drop. Remember, you put drops. You put drops on the ink pad, on the stamp pad. You remember, you put only drops, so don't just go and flood your stamp pad with ink. Or flooding your stamp pad with ink is just wasting your ink, because once the ink is excess on this stamp pad, it will never give you what you want. It will never. So what's the essence of wasting your ink? Why do you need to waste your ink? Since the brand, they just need few ink, just a little ink, few ink. Then you distribute it with the pen cover as usual. This is pen cover. Use it and distribute it. Okay. Join us Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays between 10 to 1 p.m. Between 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. for live broadcasts. So you can see us do these things live. Okay, after, is it how you know you're getting it? When you're distributing, it should be free in your hand. It should be free. It should not be stiff. Okay, once you're done, you cover your stamp pad. Always form the habit of covering your stamp pad. Don't ever leave it open, because if you leave it open, the ink will be escaping, to be drying. All right. So the next thing we're going to do now is to do the branding. So easy. This is so easy. It won't even take much of our time. So I open it, hit it once. I hit it once. Just one hitting. Now when you hit it, you will know. You will see a little, moderate ink on your this thing. If on your stamp, if you see too much ink on your stamp, that means it will just print rubbish for you. It will print nonsense for you. So be moderate with your ink. If you think you have too much ink on the stamp pad, then don't hit it too hard. These things are discretion. Just hit it a little, or just press it small, so that the ink will not be excess. Then if you already made mistake of hitting it so much, and you think the ink, once you look at the surface, you will know. If you think the ink is excess, you can use your mouth to blow it a little bit for it to dry a little. Just blowing will take you like between 2 to 3 seconds. You have done it. That's why I say don't apply so much. When you apply so much, you're just wasting your ink. Okay. So the next thing now is to brand. Now branding bottle is so easy, easier than you think. You know what you're going to do? Make sure the place that's supposed to be up is up. The place that's supposed to be down is down. Consider it in bottle. You can't make that mistake in bottle. Now this is the company name. Should be up. Then the phone number should be down. So what do? You place it like this, just like I'm doing now, from your left, and then brand from left to right without shaking your hand. So easy, so simple. So easy, so simple. I can still use this one, this same one. I can still use it at the back because it's quite. Let's see. You apply a little pressure. So if you think, okay, like now, let's say you just want to clean this. You think you need to clean it. You just dip your cloth in water. You bring a cloth. Once the thing is wet, you'll be able to clean it. Though it may be tough, but you can clean it. See, so that proves to you that our ink is not just this ink is not, and it's even finding it difficult to clean. How much more when it dries? When it dries, it can never come out. So when you're having this kind of difficulty in cleaning it, you know what you're going to do? You apply soap. Soap will help it. So I'm going to apply this liquid soap and then clean it. It will help enhance in the cleaning, though it will be tough. but it will clean it. It will clean it, but it will be tough. So you keep rubbing it until everything goes. So that's how you remove it when you make mistake. Or maybe you don't want the printing there again, even if you didn't make mistake. Okay, you can see I've been able to wipe it. So once it's dry, to clean it with water is almost impossible. It's almost impossible. So now I just use this to show you an example of how you can clean it while you're working. So clean it immediately when it is wet. Once it's dry, it's very difficult to clean. Now these ones are dried. They are dried already. So let me dip it in water and clean it to prove to you that water cannot clean it. You can see there's nothing you can do to clean it with water. It won't work. It's still there. Rather, it will making it to shine more and more. Let me also use handkerchief. Let me get handkerchief. So I'm going to use handkerchief now. Dip the handkerchief inside water and clean. You can see it will not clean. Water cannot clean it. You see the handkerchief, see the face? Water can clean it. It can't clean it. So it stays with the bottle for life. It stays there with the bottle. Whether you're putting the bottle inside the freezer or inside the fridge, it stays there. You can see it. You can see it. Okay. Because we get this ink from reliable source. Okay? You get them from reliable source. Now, let's say you're branding something like this, Zobo, or this is juice. So let's say you're branding something like juice. No, I remember I said initially, what you're going to brand depends on the color. Yeah, the color you're going to use depends on the brand, the color of your product. So I'm going to transfer this here into another bottle. I'm going to transfer it into another bottle so that we can brand it as well. So you can see you're watching this in direct, not that there was any editing or anything. So you can see our ink, stamping ink is super. So I'm going to remove this. Try a new method. Try branding the bottle direct. Try branding the bottle direct so that your item will stand out in the shelf. It will stand out. Other people like you are placing order already. You are getting order from different parts of the nation and even outside. Okay? So the stamp, the ink is still there. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to heat it. Once you heat, you cover. Remember, I said heating hard, it depends on the quantity of the ink there. If you think you still have enough ink, you don't need to heat very hard. You just heat moderately. Just use your discretion. This is a manual work, manual something. So don't expect it to be like electricity. But it's perfect and good. Okay, so I'm going to brand this now. Remember, place your hand here. Then go quickly from left to right. Start shaking your hand. You know you can do this now. You know you can do it. You know it's something you can do. You can even teach your staff how to do it. Then allow it to dry between 15 and 20 minutes. Drying bottle is very easy, super easy. It's not like drying nylon. It's much more easier than drying nylon because as you're branding, you're keeping. As you're branding, you're keeping. It's receiving air. You can even put fan to make it faster. If you put fan in under 5-10 minutes, it's dry. If it's in a very airy place, under 5-10 minutes, it's dry. It's dried perfectly well. Okay, so I'm going to hit that one again. Okay, let me brand this side. This one is already dry. I'll brand again the second part. Okay, you have to do it strategically and fast. Okay, so this is something you can do. It's something you can do. It's something you can do. First of all, fill up the bottle with the content. the content, the whatever you're packaging, so that the bottle can have enough weight. Then you brand from left to right without shaking your hand. Once you shake your hand, you have spoiled it. Okay, I'm starting again. Make sure you start from the beginning so that you get everywhere. Okay, and if you think you don't like the branding, you clean it up immediately. You clean it up. I'm just doing this to show you how to clean. And if the cleaning with water is not enough, you add soap. You add soap, liquid soap, to make the cleaning faster. Once you add liquid soap, it should be able to clean after a while. But before you brand it again, please make sure the surface is very dry. Never you brand on a wet surface. Never you brand on a wet surface. You can see the ink is still there. So it's not going to be easy to clean it, but you will still clean it by rubbing it severally. Severally. You rub it severally before you can clean completely. So our ink is from a reliable source. It stays on the item, on the bottle or the nylon, whatever it is, the packaging material, it stays there for life. Okay, I've been able to clean. So that's how you clean when you make mistake or you think you don't like the branding you did. So that is how you're going to brand your bottle as an SME. And then remember, you allow it to dry. You give it time to dry. You give it time to dry. So when you place your order, you give us your write-up that you want to be on your stamp. You're not going to write the whole an essay. You just write something like between 4 to 6 words. Yeah, you don't need so much words. So you see the way we did our own and the way other customers did their own. So you don't need so much ink. You don't need so much ink. You don't need so much write-up on me. You don't need so much write-up on the something. So I know you learned something today. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio. Get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order. Thank you for watching and God bless you. If you have any comment or question, please drop it in the comment section. I am going to answer it. You can also give us a call. You can give us a call.